Hi everyone, it's Kathy. Thank you for joining me for another product reveal. This stamp set is called Sheets and Giggles. It's a 4x6 stamp set with 6 ghost images and 7 sentiments. And this stamp set is pretty cheeky. I do have a couple of samples to share. I've created this one here with some of the new paper from the Halloween pack, and this paper here is from the Starring Hearts paper. And to change the white stripes, I just used a Copic marker, and it opens like that. I created this one using the Envelope Edgers die set with the giraffe paper, and of course the little ghost from Sheets and Giggles. This one here I created again using the Envelope Edgers die set with paper from the Licorice paper pack. And finally this one here, I used cardstock from the Starring Hearts paper pack and the Giraffe paper pack. For more inspiration, make sure you check out the Whimsy Stamps blog. We'd love it if you would follow us over on Instagram and join our Facebook group as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not yet subscribed, we'd love it if you would. And don't forget to ring the bell so you're notified every time a new video is posted. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.